Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a group in GroupMe. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to create a group, what you need to do is head over and open up your GroupMe app, and once you're inside, here on the bottom you'll see a paper and a pencil like icon, right? That is highlighted in blue circle. Simply tap on that. And here on tapping that, you'll have 4 options. Simply tap on option that says group, and once you're here, all you gotta do now is just simply type in the group name, and here if you want to select an avatar or a picture, simply tap on it and then tap on the preferable option, right? And once you do that, all you gotta do is tap on next, and here you can add members by searching it right here, or simply tapping on the contact that is displayed to you, and right beside it you'll have an add option. Simply tap on that, right? And once you do that, change the theme from here as well by simply tapping on applying a theme. Choose a theme, and here you have a bunch of options. Simply tap on it and then tap on save, and once you do that, your group will be created. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.